Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Just hopping on to let you know about our new memory verse and where to put it. We are still working our way through looking to the cross, and we are memorizing the very, very well-known verse, Isaiah 53, verse 5. But he was pierced for our transgressions, he was crushed for our iniquities. Upon him was a chastisement that brought us peace, and with his wounds we are healed. Beautiful verse. It will be good to dig into these words. Always read the verse in context when you memorize scripture, and just study around it, study the words and things like that, because memorizing scripture at the end of the day is to bring you closer to God. So this is the verse we're going to concentrate on for the next week. So we're going to put it behind daily. Our old daily verse we're going to put behind even. So you're going to revise that on the even days of the week. Your old even verse you can put on behind the odd. Your old odd verse you can put into the weekly section. I think we did Thursday last time. Let me see. Yeah, let's do Saturday. I'm not 100% sure, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to put behind Saturday. My old Saturday verse, I'm going to move into the monthly section. Yet again, I've realized that here in the beginning there is not so many verses. So I'm going to put it behind I'm just going to put behind the 4th. So you can put it anywhere. So yeah, I hope it's a blessing for you this week. Now tomorrow morning I will open my book, and last week I've practiced my verses here. Yet again, if you want to pick up these printables to decorate your pages, I will link it down below also for you. It's just a fun way to decorate pages. I've done it 3 years ago when I did it, and you get all these verse mapping sheets and things like that. And then, as you can see, I have started revising it a while ago, so I'll just continue. I don't want to waste any paper. Continue this verse and just zone in on it and meditate on it. The wonderful thing what God has done in this prophecy in Isaiah about who Jesus is and what he will do.